How to change the run mode for any code node in your n8n workflow. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can quickly and very easily change the run mode of your code node in your n8n workflow. So as you can see here, I have this sample workflow right here, and here you can see that this particular node is a code node where I have inbuilt a custom JS code within this node. So let's say I want to change the running type of this particular node. So what I can do is simply double click onto this, and from here I can see this mode option. There are two run options. The first one is run once for all items. This means the n8n workflow will run this code only once, no matter how many input items there are. And then there is the second option, that is run once for each items. This means the workflow will run this code as many times as there are input items. So depending upon the same, you can choose any one of them and you are all set to go. This is exactly the same if you wish to add a new node as well. So for example, if I add a new code node, as you can see, I will get the options within the setup only, as you can see right here. Apart from that, I can also change after initiating the node, as you can see right here. So that was pretty much it about this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.